Hello, this is Arthur again, and today I have this very nice 2000 Mercedes S430. It has 96,000 miles. It is here for few maintenance items. I'm going to show you the parts that I have for it. It is in this beautiful blue color. It does have few updates on it. I'm going to show you around the car quickly, and then I'll get to the parts, and then we'll go towards the repairs. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, this car does have updated headlights that comes on an 03 and newer facelift model. It does have some 20-inch wheels on it. They are kind of like a Brabus design. I'm not sure if they're original or no, but they do look pretty good on the car. This color is pretty rare on these cars. You don't really see these. It does have a light gray with light wood. I think it looks really nice color combination. If it was my car, I'll probably remove the tints to make the interior appreciate more. It also has updated taillights. Very nice looking car. I really like these. I'm a big fan of this body style. They're nice to work on. They're pretty reliable. They're very comfortable. Okay, let's check out the parts. I do have a belt tensioner and a pulley, motor mounts, transmission mount, as well as all 16 spark plugs. I'm also going to do an oil change, which I don't have a kit for it yet, but I'm gonna get it. Also, this car needs the airmatic pump bracket, which hasn't arrived yet, but hopefully today. I do have new bushings for it, and we might replace it this time if it arrives. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, I did replace the belt tensioner and the pulley. Both pulleys were actually pretty shot on the tensioner and on the idler pulley. So next I'm going to do the spark plugs. Okay, I do have all the spark plugs replaced already. I'm not going to put the coils back on yet, since I need to do the motor mounts, and if I need to access the bolts on top, it will be easier to access them with the ignition coils removed than with them in. So I'm going to do that next, and then I will get back to the ignition coils and put them all in. The hardest part of the spark plugs on these cars is to remove the boots off of the spark plugs on the ignition coils, since there's many of them, 16 of them, and on top of that they're usually very stuck. And this one, I don't know if it was ever removed or no. I'm guessing it was, since the spark plugs were Denso on it. Alright, let's continue. I was able to loosen up the motor mount with this special tool that is for Mercedes motor mounts. It's a 16mm extension, short extension, and then I use a stubby 5/8 to drive it out, as that one will take too long. This one you can just ratchet it out. Once you loosen it slightly, you should be able to turn this one by hand. It's tight, but it does go. Okay, I have the motor mounts loosened up from top. I lifted the car up from the lift. Next, I'm going to loosen up the steering rack and move it forward, and then I'll be able to push the engine up and remove the motor mounts. Okay, so I changed the oil, changed spark plugs, changed the transmission mount, motor mount, a belt, a pulley and tensioner. Now I'm going to start it for the first time. There goes my stick. The hood shocks are kind of dead, but it's okay. Alright, runs smooth. Check for lights, make sure there's no check engine lights. Shouldn't be. Okay, everything's looking good. Runs very smooth. Right, here are the parts that I removed. These are the spark plugs. They don't look too bad. Just use spark plugs, nothing wrong with them. Really just older. The transmission mount has some cracks. Time to change it. Motor mounts look really bad. They're not separated completely, but they're all the way down and very cracked up. The belt didn't look bad, but the tensioners, the pulley looks it's completely shut. It has a lot of cracks. This is ready to fail, fly off the car, as well as the tensioner pulley is noisy as well. I haven't got to the mount for the air compressor, as I don't have the part yet. I'm waiting on it still, but I'll do it later on. Alright, that's about it for this video. This car is really nice. I really like this car. It's older, it's a 430, but it's in nice condition. It has a nice color combination. I like it. So I did do all the maintenance items, except you saw I haven't replaced the bracket yet. Once it comes in, I'll replace that as well. Alright, thank you for watching. There are more videos to come. Please comment, like, and subscribe.